crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today we are doing a new to me technique, so stay tuned to see how it turns out. Alright, today I have a couple things out. I am going to try something that I wanted to try for a while. I have tissue paper here and I'm going to apply that to the cardstock and then cut it out and see how it goes. I kind of want to frame this out and have, put that on the front of a card and just see how it goes. And then I wanted to stamp on the frame like thinking of you or something like that. So we will see how this goes. I have this calls for Confetti Layer It die set for the frame. This is just some tissue paper that I got off of Amazon. And I'm really interested in this cluster right here. So I think what I'm gonna do, we shall see, we're all learning here together. I'm just gonna cut this out. Hopefully I did not cut it too small. Let's see. Nope. Alright, we are good to go. Okay, so I'm going to apply this with the collage medium. And I have this, I don't know what this is, like kind of like a silicone brush. This is from Bear. So we'll see how that goes. Just trying to get placement and hopefully not make too much of a mess. Like, that was goopy. Evidently I haven't used this in a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to use a paper towel and try to get up all the extra goops. We probably don't need that much glue. Alright. I'm going to put this on here. And then we can put this on the top and hope for the best. I always wanted to do this, but I never did it. And I don't know why. Do you have any techniques like that? You're like, I really want to try this, and then you never do. And then the day comes, and then you can try it. Just trying to smooth this out best I can. Alright, so we have that covered. Kind of looks like a old, I don't know, like an old picture, an old painting or something. Alright, let me get all of this cleaned up and I will be right back. Alright, I did a bunch of stuff off screen just to speed this up a little bit. But I used the Concord and 9th Briar Rose as the card base, and this is a regular A2 card base, so it's 5.5 by 4 1/4. I used a piece of accent opaque cardstock and I embossed this with the Simon Says stamp Butterfly Burst, and I just love this embossing folder, and that's what that looks like. I had cut out the frame with this calls for Confetti Layer It die set that I mentioned. I stamped on the bottom here, Thinking of You, and I did that in the Briar Rose from Concord and 9th for kind of like a tone-on-tone look. And I did the Thinking of You, and this is from Avery, Elle, and it is just the simple sentiments. So let's get putting this together. I think the first thing we should do is put the put this on, but I just flipped this over and I was like, oh, I think I'm like, I like the deboss side, but I think I'll stick with the embossed side for this one. Just using my tape runner. And I'll put extra on there since this is embossed. And this I just cut 1/8 of an inch smaller, so it'll have a very narrow border. Okay, so we have that set. Alright, and I do want to pop up this frame. And I have this new Altenew foam tape. It's a 1/4 inch width and it's a 1/16 inch loft. So it's pretty skinny, or pretty not lofty. I don't know. How do you want to explain it? It's really thin, both ways. So I thought we could use this. Get out my Simon Says stamp everyday scissors, and they are great because they do not stick to sticky things. Okay. And the tricky thing will be trying to get this on straight. I love this Altenew tape. The backers come off like a dream. They just come right off. Alright, I think I'm going to put some glue on here just so I have a little wiggle room if I need it. Maybe no glue today. think it is running out. Alright, let's see. I'll use this, the collage medium, because you can use that for glue as well. Everything is so sticky. Alright, so I think this is going to be the toughest part of this. And then I'm also going to use the collage medium to attach this to that embossed, because it's going to have a hard time sticking on there. I think I'm going to actually just apply the glue right to this so that I don't make a mess when I'm trying to put the inlay this piece into this. All right. I got a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it, glue ooze on the side there from when we put on the border. So this is just a adhesive eraser if you've never seen one before, and it gets rid of extra glue and stuff like that. Takes it right off. Alright. I'm gonna actually put these in here, and maybe it will even out. I don't know where my little white one went. But then maybe it'll push that down a little bit. Alright. So I wanted to show you how I finished the inside of the card. So we have this beautiful floral and the sending hugs. And I used the Briar Rose for this, and I used the Cobblestone for this. And I thought it matched the tissue paper floral very well. So for the sending hugs, I used the Gina Designs Fancy Phrases. And for this beautiful flower, I used my new Archer and Olive, I forget what it is called, Antique Floral stamp set. So just really want that to stick down. Alright, so we have our project. This is little basic thinking of you. And I'll fill out my card and then put this in here and then send it off. And so yeah, I tried something new today, something I had wanted to do for a long time, so that was kind of exciting to try that technique with the tissue paper and gluing that down and then using it. I'll list everything that I used today in the description box. I do have affiliate links. If you want to join me over on Facebook, I post cards, videos, and any crafty sales I come across. If you found value in today's video, I would love to have you as a subscriber if you could hit that button. So until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and take care. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.